Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to delete applications from your laptop or PC. Deleting unwanted apps frees up your space and resources on your computer. So to begin, you need to locate and click on the Windows Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen, and in the Start menu, find and click on Settings. If you can't find it immediately, use the search bar at the top, and within Settings, navigate to the left-hand menu, go to the Apps section. A list of applications on your computer will load. You can either search for a specific app by using the search bar here in the top, or you can scroll through the list using the two fingers on your trackpad or by clicking and dragging the scroll bar. Once you've found the app that you wish to uninstall, go ahead and select it. Then click on Uninstall option. Click on Uninstall again to confirm. You'll then be prompted to confirm your decision. Click on Uninstall, and some apps may have an additional pop-up window requiring further information, like why do you want to uninstall this specific app from your device, and then while others simply uninstall. After confirming, the uninstallation process will complete and the app will be removed from your list. You can then repeat these steps for any other applications you wish to delete. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.